Now, Asia Pacific markets mostly edged lower early on Thursday as macroeconomic uncertainty weighed on sentiment. Sentiment took a hit after US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell warned of inflation risks from tariffs. Powell also signaled rate on hold for now. Speaking on Capitol Hill for a second day, Powell warned that Trump's new tariff regime is clouding inflation forecasts, making it harder for the Fed to determine when rate cuts might be appropriate. He emphasized the need to take our time and make a smart decision, adding that while inflation remains contained, a rate cut could still come sooner rather than later. Still, Wall Street benchmarks ended close to their record highs, driven by a tech rally. Tech optimism was largely driven by Nvidia, which surged to a record high. The AI chip maker surpassed Microsoft's market value to become the world's most valuable company. Nvidia shares climbed over 4% on Wednesday, lifting the company's market value to $3.77 trillion, just ahead of Microsoft and well above Apple. But the Fed's outlook weighed on the dollar, which slipped to a 3.5-year low against the euro. Investors are now pricing in more aggressive rate cuts, and with Trump's July 9 tariff deadline looming, fears of a US recession are growing. Gold prices were steady, with spot gold edging up. After hitting a 2-week low, analysts suggest that the path for gold could be lower. Some bet the yellow metal to fall below $3,000 mark, potentially if West Asia continues to cool. Oil markets meanwhile bounced back modestly. US crude rose 0.85% to $65 a barrel and Brent gained 0.8% to $68. This comes after prices plunged earlier in the week, following a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, which ended a 12-day conflict. That truce calmed fears over disruption in key supply routes, including the Strait of Hormuz, but experts warn the situation remains fragile still.